Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on a brushstroke transition. This will actually work in all versions of Vegas Pro. You don't need Vegas Pro 16. All versions of Vegas Pro, you'll be able to do this transition in. Now, transition is from Production Crate, and it's a free download from the site. I'll put a link where you can download it from. So I'll show you how it's done. So here's my transition. Drag this to the track above the first video clip. Now the one I'm transitioning to, this one here, drag this above the transition. Split it. Drag this to the bottom. Now go to the transition, Event FX, click on that. Look up Vegas Mask Generator. If you're running Sony Vegas, it's going to say Sony Vegas Mask Generator. So they're the same thing. So click OK. Make sure it's at the luminance. Let's try here. Make compositing child. Make sure that's selected. Go to compositing mode. And select multiply mask. So now when you play it back, gives a real beautiful effect transitioning from one video to the next. So once again, it's a free download. I'll put a link where you can download it from. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it helpful, I have lots of others to choose from. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.